Hey everyone, I've had some questions about how I drew the bricks in the background of this drawing, so I'm going to go over the process that I used. I start off with drawing out the darkest details of the brick first. This particular brick has a light color with dark indentations. I'm using a sharpened dark brown pencil, which is sepia in the Caran d'Ache luminance pencils, to create these details as the base layer of the brick. I prefer to draw these dark details first instead of waiting to draw them on top of the brick color, because once I have all of the layers of color down for the brick, it is difficult to get the dark brown details as dark as I want them to be when they are drawn over a layer of colored pencil. I will be going over this with the lighter color of the brick, which does lighten these details, but you will see I go over them once more with the sepia pencil to get them back to the dark brown color. And here I go with the light brown shade called Brown Ochre. I start off with a lighter pressure and then I will build up with heavier pressure in the areas of the brick that I want to be darker. The next step, I'll use a lighter shade called Brown Ochre 10% and layer this over the brown ochre with heavier pressure to blend these colors together and create the light tan color of the brick. I will go back in with the brown ochre pencil on top of this layer to darken certain areas. And as I mentioned before, I'm using the sepia pencil again to bring out those darker indentations of the brick. Once I have the majority of the colors and dark details complete, I will use my X-Acto knife to scrape out the fine lighter details of the brick and create a more textured look on the surface. I will also create more highlighted textures by using an electric eraser on top of these layers. Once most of the brick is complete, I will draw the final details, adding in more indentations with a dark brown pencil and using the X-Acto knife and electric eraser to add more of the lighter textures. That's all for this tutorial. I hope some of these tips can be useful for you when you are drawing textured surfaces. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching.